I came back to say y'all can't fuck with me. Shit. Back making YouTube videos. So hey y'all boys, I'm back here with another hair tutorial, 2022 update. My last video was in 2020, about 2 years ago. I'm with a hair update. See my hair right now, fucked up as usual. Look at this shit. Yeah, I'm back here. I'm finna make something shape for y'all boys now. Yeah, I'm finna make something shape for y'all boys nah. I'm really finna make something shake, and that's your hair. First, I gotta show y'all the products I'm finna be using. So first, what you wanna do to get curly hair, first you need to shampoo, wash your hair. Shampoo, let me show you the shampoo. The 2022 shampoo. Grow Strong. That's all you need right there, Grow Strong. Yo, you want your hair to be strong, right? Look at this. Look at that's strong, my nigga. That shit is strong. After that, after you get done shampooing your hair, you want to get some leave-in conditioner or some type of conditioner. Conditioner, leave-in. Conditioner is conditioner, my nigga. It got conditioner in its name for a reason. It's the same. Natural coconut. You see, that's natural coconut right there. It's the insides of a coconut, my nigga. Oh my mother. It's natural coconut. I have your hair smelling like coconuts. After you get done conditioning your hair, after you shampoo, get out the shower, whatever you in, you always gotta twist your hair. Put it in a protective style. Super Grow. Super Grow. It's in the name. You want long curls, don't it? You want long curls, don't it? You want them long. Super Grow Gel. Whatever this shit is. Just get anything that say Super Grow. It's gonna grow your hair out. Super Grow, man. It's Super Grow. It's gonna grow your hair out. And for all y'all niggas that don't wash y'all face, wash your face, my nigga. Just wash. When you get done getting all that hair, a warm rag, wash your face with a warm rag. Face cleaner. You want to wash all that hair stuff off of your face. You hear me? Get this. Some oil-free acne wash. Yeah, man, treatment. It's treatment for your face. You don't want none of that oil in your mouth, in your face. Treatment. It's gonna treat your face. Get anything that say treatment. Anything that say treatment for your face, just get it. That's why I got it. It just say treatment. It's in the name. So I'll be back with y'all boys when I shampoo my hair. All right. Get the naps out your head, man. If you gotta get a comb, get the naps out your head, then put it all in your scalp. Get it all in your scalp. You know how to wash your hair, though. I'll be back with y'all boys when I wash my hair. I'm back just to tell y'all can't fuck with me. This is my hair shampoo. You see how the shampoo all up in my hair, though? Want your hair all, get it all in your hair, get it all in your scalp. This how it's supposed to look. Your hair's supposed to be shrunken, all right? Y'all can get off my dick. It's supposed to shrink. I'm a black nigga. You know, wash your hair, my nigga. Fuck. Fucking this nigga fucking ruined my life. It's all fucking shit. Shit, and more shit. Fuck. Hey, boys, I just got done. Shampooing my hair and conditioning. Hold on, let me shake my hair. Yeah, that's how I look. I hate it. I hate it, my nigga. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It looks horrible. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram, Internet J Tabio. Tabio. That's T-A-B. You know, that's my Instagram. Fuck it. That's my Instagram. Follow my Instagram. Yeah, just detangle your hair. I mean, I'm pretty sure I showed you how to detangle your hair in the last video. So you can just... Right now. Yo. Detangle your hair. Juice. In there. And this where this come in. Super grow. Start from your scalp, please. Start from your scalp. Put it in your scalp. And then twist. You get to the end, you could do one of these, the loop-de-loops. It was like right there. If my forehead was right there, then my hair would be like right there, and then my hair would be like right there, like right here. That's crazy. Bae, we all got big foreheads. I know I'm not as energetic as I was, but you know, all of us got relationship problems. But y'all don't want to hear that, my nigga. This ain't a relationship channel. Yeah, once you got that, your hair should be curly. Your hair should be curly. Now fuck off my screen, nigga. I came back to say, if y'all keep in the twist for longer, it would be way more curly than this. But I kept in these twists for like 10 seconds and it's partially curly. Now fuck off my screen, nigga.
Robo block with one, should I pick again? Nigga not trapping, they just tryna fit in. Catch a blaze, they got play for the Redskins. Max down, send a sound at your headband. Now the little nigga a dead man. Pick up a pack in the trunk with the mailman. Scoop at a jug for 10 bags.